So I wanted to use a camera when I was out on my bike, and I've got a DSLR, but when I thought about it, the problem was it just seemed a little bit bulky, you know, and I also noticed that when I put the elastic bands around it, cut in under my chin. So I thought that's not going to work, so I got one of these. Okay, it's not the most expensive camera, but it wasn't cheap. So I'm going to produce a video on fitting it, and well, let's have a look and see what we've got. HD motorcycle camera. I've had a look at the prices actually of the GoPros, and they're quite expensive, and I just wanted something that's just going to record me riding around a little bit. I don't need to do anything really professional. So I had a look online, read a few reviews, and this seemed to come up quite well. So this is an unbranded Chinese camera. It comes with two cameras. One is a full 1080 HD, and one is 720, which is supposed to be the rear facing camera. But apart from that, really, it's fairly inexpensive. Costs about £70 or £80 in UK. So I'm going to quickly unpack it, have a look at the contents, and I will be trying to fit it tomorrow, hopefully. So we've got this is like the control unit with the different connectors for the cameras and remote controls and such like. Away. We're looking here. We've got the first camera. We've got the second camera. Now again, one is supposed to be 1080 and the other is 720, but I'm not sure which one is which. We'll just take this out of here. It looks like it's like a small sticky pad mounting bracket. We've got, let's have a look here in this packet here, we've got, alright, this is the, alright, so this is the loom and control box. I don't know whether that's, it just says it's a power box. I don't know whether it's a transformer of some description. So that's the cable set to power it up to the bike. Oh, it comes with a USB cable. Now, it's a standard USB cable on one end, but it's this connection which I think is actually part of to plug into this, obviously, so you can power it through USB or from the bike. What else? And finally we have what looks to be like the control unit. There's also a set of instructions. I'm not sure whether that says instructions. I don't even know if it's the right way up. Whichever way. Quick look. Oh, so yeah. So it appears that the instructions are in both Chinese, I'm assuming, and also in English. So I'll have a quick read through the instructions to give me an idea of what it is I need to do, and then we'll get back to that. Oh, there's also another little 3M sticky pad in the pack as well. Okay,